Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Open Google Chrome and type get into PC. Go to getintopc.com. Type Photoshop. Here you can see Adobe Photoshop 2021 free download. Scroll down and click here 64-bit download. The password is 123 for the RAR file. It is downloaded in RAR file. Click on download. It is 2.8 GB. Wait for a few minutes. It will take a few minutes. Please wait. There you go. It has started. The download limit may differ. I will show you the download limit. Just a second. Here you can see it is going to 2.1 and 2 point some MBs. It may go to C. Here you can see it is downgrading. I am going to cancel it because I have already downloaded it. I have downloaded in downloads. Open it. Press on setup.exe. Press yes. Wait for a few minutes. You can change the location also. I'm going to choose English International. Here you can change the location. It's saying that you cannot change again. Earlier installation of this product was found. This product will be installed as it is original location. So I have downloaded it also once. Press continue. Here you can see downloading. Wait for a few minutes. I'm going to cancel it because I've already downloaded it. Quit. I'm going to open the Photoshop. I have renamed it into photo editor. Open it. Here you can see it is loading. Yeah, it is for free. It has no virus. Don't worry about your PC. Everything is fine. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.